Odoo has helped me not only formalize the processes and the procedures in the business, but also has made the daily tasks far more easier. In our case, the implementation partner app has always been on their toes to ensure that any problem which we face, it's solved maximum within 24 hours. It is easier to move into an ERP system with Odoo for a micro and small enterprise.
Hello everyone, welcome to Odoo Feedbacks and Forward. I'm Harshita Pamnani, Head of Customer Success with Odoo India. In this leading world where trading is meeting innovations, introducing Mr. Varun Patel, the leading force behind Odoo ERP and prioritizing the trading sector for Odoo.
Hello everyone, I am Varun Patel from JRK Corporation. We are into wastewater treatment business since more than 2 decades now.
Varun, when did you got introduced to Odoo?
I was introduced to Odoo almost 2 years back.
Okay.
And got to know from a couple of my friends and from the IT industry also. And I've been hearing the name of Odoo since a while now.
So, how was your journey with Odoo? How you started with Odoo? How was the implementation journey?
So basically, almost a year and a half back, I was introduced to Odoo by one of my friends who also happens to be our implementation partner.
Right.
And that's how we really went into the conversation, because I was looking for some solutions related to ERP for my business. And that's when he introduced me to Odoo, and we got to know more about Odoo, and that's how the Odoo journey started.
What were the ups and downs once you were introduced? What were the challenges you were facing in Odoo?
Coming from a business family and a micro business, scaling it up to a small business, there are a lot of business challenges as well as process related challenges in our daily business routine. So Odoo has helped me not only formalize the processes and the procedures in the business, but also has made the daily tasks far more easier, and which has been the biggest takeaway for me using Odoo in our daily routine.
So, going up forward with the challenges, I've usually heard from people that major challenges are that users are not very okay to adapt a new environment or new ERP. In your case, how was the situation?
Change is inevitable and change is difficult at the same time.
Yes.
So we all face the same issues. But I think that's where the role comes of the implementation partner.
Right.
So in our case, the implementation partner app has always been on their toes to ensure that any problem which we face, it's solved maximum within 24 hours. And they have been following up very, very rigorously. And that has made our job easier to implement Odoo in our business. So that has really helped.
Truly. We really appreciate Apple for the partner. And we are really good to know that you are having such a good bond that they get your problem resolved within 24 hours. So apart from this challenge and every situation which you're facing, what are the advantages which you see, or what would be the major upcoming situations which you were wishing in your business through Odoo?
I mean, Odoo has been rolling out versions. The newer version is already out, and we have been using. The user interface and all has been great. And coming from version 15 to 16 and now 17, so we have seen a lot of development in that. And in business processes also, a lot of things are being incorporated in it. So that way, I see that in terms of reporting or even in terms of CRM, it is helping us to cater to new requirements in a much easier way. And in terms of dashboard also, we get a lot of options which was not available previously with the conventional kind of ERP systems.
So good to know that you are very happy with all the applications which you are using. Apart from that, you have any suggestions which Odoo should take, or which all points, or you can say apps we should more add?
To be honest, I mean, it's just a 1.5 year journey for me. So it would be difficult to say what else for Odoo to improve upon. I am still learning through the process that, this is already part of it and all. So it is there. But what I definitely feel is that in India, I mean, we have large corporations, we have been using ERP systems for years. But it is always a challenge to use a ERP in a micro or a small kind of an organization. So with Odoo, I have found that advantage that it is easier to move into an ERP system with Odoo for a micro and small enterprise. So only thing which I can suggest is for your future developments also, please try that maximum you can cover on this particular area, which will help a lot of small businesses to grow.
Sure. Thank you for the feedback. I will surely take this feedback. And moving forward, this was all about you are using Odoo and how do you feel about Odoo. Now I'm really keen to know, how do you feel about community days?
So it is a wonderful initiative which I think Odoo has taken up. Maybe first of this scale by Odoo in India. And a lot of learning and knowledge which is being shared. So it is wonderful, and looking forward to more such community days also.
Yes, definitely. We will be planning more community events. And yes, early in past, we were used to plan small events, road shows. But yes, as you said, the scaled up event is planned, for a first time in Odoo India. So we'll surely take up. But if in future we are taking, would you be joining us?
Yeah, definitely. Why not?
Yeah, good to know. Thank you.